Hi.
Hi, Arpi.
Hi.
Do you want to tell us about the farm animals?
This is a donkey.
Okay.
Is a donkey.
The donkey is
The donkey is gray.
gray. Okay.
Is a sheep.
It's a sheep, or this is a sheep.
White.
The sheep is white.
Is white.
The sheep is white.
Kate.
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Is a gray.
The cat is gray. The cat is gray.
The cat is gray.
Okay.
This dog.
This is a dog,
This is a dog.
or it's a dog.
Where it's dog.
Okay.
Brown is white.
Brown and white.
Brown
And white. Okay. Arev. Hi, Arev.
Hi. Is masna manu? Horse.
This is a horse.
This is a horse. This is a pig. This is a
Rooster.
rooster. This is
A hen. What? This is a hen. Okay. This is a, I don't know, that's a bird. This is a bird.
This is a bird.
Okay.
This is a donkey.
Okay. What else? What's this?
This is a cow.
Okay. What's this?
This is a
Goat.
goat.
Okay. What is this?
Donkey.
No, that's a duck. This is a
Duck.
duck. Okay. And what's this one? That's a goose. Huh?
Goose.
Okay. And what color is this dog?
Dog.
What color is it?
Brown and
Brown and white. Brown and white. Okay. What color is the pig?
pink.
Okay. The pig is pink. And Arpi, what color is the horse? It's brown.
Brown. It's
Yeah,
brown.
it's brown. And what color is this sheep?
White.
It's white. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.